Hi guys, my name is Rifat and welcome back to my channel Mashup Travels. As you know, I am in Gaziantep at the moment, so today I will be taking to two traditional museums. The first one is the Hammam Museum, which if you want to know how a hammam is and how the experience is inside, so this is the video for you. And do not forget to watch till the end because I will be showing you another museum, which is the Mutfik Kitchen Museum, how traditional houses, traditional families in Turkey kitchens are. So let's go and watch my next video. Walking around, and here is the Hammam Museum. I'll show you the Hammam Museum, which is open from 8:30 to 5:30. We usually do use hammams in Turkey. We have used them, but let's see how they have made it into a museum. What are they showing? Because when I showed you my Turkish hammam museum before, the ticket I paid for the museum is 5 Turkish lira, but do remember the tickets you cannot purchase with cash, Turkish lira or anything. You have to tap a card. So you have to have a credit or a debit card with you while you are traveling so you could buy the tickets for these museums. As I was talking about Turkish hammam, I've shown you a video which I will link on top left hand corner for you to watch. I could not show you inside of the hammam. The reason is because of course, confidentiality. People are having their baths there. So this is a model of how it would look. These are the changing rooms, and that is inside the hammam, and in the middle there is a big stone thing which you lay down on. These are the shoes traditionally which were used. In old time, patent or clogs were worn not only in public baths but also in houses. Wow, look at that. Who would wear and walk on like these? I don't know what that is. Shoes. This is how you get into the hammam. Look at them shoes there. That woman is wearing the shoes. The utensils used and the towels they use, the cotton sheet towels. That's the masseuse who will give you a shower. Of course, to the men, the women will be different. This is how you be sitting in the hammam, chilling. You can spend as much time in the hammam, have your snacks and your nagle, and the tea boy walks around giving you tea. So this is typically how a hammam would look. I like. So you're entering. This is a boiler which boils the water. Again, the shoes and everything. This is the main hammam area. Like I said, soaps, original soaps. Whenever we come, we do buy some original soaps from Turkey, like Wondershare. This is the woman who will help you with your shower, give you a scrub and everything. This must be working in those times as the soothing winter noise. This is how men chill. These are the chadars they still use, the hammams. That's where the water come out from. This is how we will scrub you. So just look. This is the hot area where usually the heat is. This is how we will. I am outside the Kitchen Museum now in Gaziantep, and I will take you in and show you what is there to see. Same timings. It's on the same little street where I just been to the Hammam Museum. So let's see, what do they say? Amine Guyus, Gaziantep Mutfak Museum. So we start off to the Kitchen Museum, and ye kya hai? Who knows about this? Chakki, we used to have one in our house which I never used, but my grandma probably did before I was even alive. And this is Hindi. Look at that, these are the ways. This used to be our old kitchen. It's a house kitchen in here, and it's called Amine, something Amine kitchen. So what you see here as well is not only the kitchen utensils, you will see Gaziantep's most popular dishes and more traditional dishes. I wouldn't think that there's so many. Oh my god, I make this at home. This is Ochamania. Wow. I know what these are. It's very similar to what our culture is. We are talking about 1980s. 1980s, these things, not everything, but a lot of things, this kind of metal, handia and some bartan glasses, plates were used in our house. Rubber bundi. I want to try this, but Arab koftashi and maybe the kazan kebabi. Serving, they do preserve a lot of food. Like this is aubergines, and then you put them in the water, boil them, make them soften, and fill them to make rice, bulgur rice, chane, masar, masoor ki dal. Oh, they even cook fruits, vegetables, rice and soups and herbs, the drinks and the drink pots. They're making chai or coffee, the Turkish coffee, how it's made on the coal. The desserts. Guys, I am even surprised how much of a cuisine do they have, how many different dishes of kebabs, sweets, baklavas, everything. It's not like I've already probably have told you, kebab is not just a kebab. There are going to be like 120 different types of kebabs in Turkey. So let's see how they eat their dessert. Oh, they're sitting in a razai. Oh, that's how they wash their hands, and then they'll have nagle. Oh, that's a traditional home setting. Oh, there's the ladies preparing the food and chatting away. Oh. The fire will be made in those things and with wood or the kitchen works. These are the utensils. Oh, isko humna, we call it doli in Pakistan. My mamus used to have it just to keep everything cool when the fridges were not a thing or that common. That's a big one where they put the fire under it and they make. Thank you very much for watching, and do not forget to subscribe for more from Southeast Turkey and Uzbekistan coming soon.